The Avenue. How are you today? You fine? You good? Excellent. We will learn today the sound the letter It is dinner time and the children are thinking about tasty food. Look at this girl. What is she thinking about? She is thinking about hot dog. And what about the boy? He is thinking about pasta. And what about the girl? She is thinking about hamburger and fries. Do you like it? And look at the mouse. It is also thinking about tasty food. And they rub their thumbs and say, like this. You can plant. At mat. Man. Up map. Men. What is your favorite meal? What is favorite meal? Map. Milk. Mouse. Moon. Map. Moon. Mountain. Mouth. Monkey. Milk. Repeat after me. You can plant. At mat. Man. Up map. Men. What is your favorite meal? What is favorite meal?